Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to calibrate the tilt sensor in the S631 from Hemisphere GNSS. The tilt sensor is going to let me get hard to get shots, like up against a building or underneath heavy tree canopy. Or if I have to get a shot that's through a fence or something like that, I can do that too. But as soon as you get a fix with FieldGenius, it's going to ask you to initialize the IMU. And all you're going to do that is put the receiver over your shoulder at an angle like this. We're going to walk 5-10 feet, turn around, walk back. And now once we put that down, you can see I'm fixed and it doesn't say initialize IMU. So when I take a shot, it'll calibrate for the tilt. So if you have any questions about today's video, just give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.